Well, seniors, a big twist for Richmond Lamptey, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, ex-player, actually outgoing player. Or Koyenye him say, or in any Libya, but there is a big U-turn. Maybe me who say a good news. Me who ye many Japan because Richmond Lamptey Libya no. To be real honest, na medie memfa meti enye sa or he ball pan or Richmond Lamptey mo no de Libya na ni enyan. But enano pay on a club in Rwanda, a friend APRFC, emerging force. You Uganda, Rwanda, a country almost developing a year pan open say almost sponsor us now. Visit Rwanda near the club no and that screen is APRFC Umara Instinzi. So now until recently, about 3 days ago, release new coach and announce new coach. Yes, Dakonovic on the screen. So I say a big investment into the club and a investment a turnover for the club. Now I decide they say invest huge and top technical team and say Richmond Lamptey project and I understand say Richmond Lamptey acquire agreement say sign for 2 years. There is information I no pay mensa eka club no oko Uganda. I say first no Power FC line be I say a police for be ne handle with not too long ago, 3 days ago, and on my announcement to my timeline. Or say it is with excellence that we present and welcome our technical staff aboard on the slide respectively. Coach Dakonovic, first assistant coach, and second assistant coach Hitman Theory, and fitness coach Mamoun Megdi, video analyst Kalum. Next is Omania Brepa, a club which was some serious investments into the club for a turnover to compete in Africa. And Rwanda a destination Richmond Lamptey kobobo many because the country is so peaceful. Ghanaian players now want to Libya, Sudan, is Canada or but at the end of the day, was Omukwa until Munkabium. So, but this time, Rwanda, not too a football nation, but the peace alone over there, no, I'm particularly excited. And then recently in African story, the development Uganda is achieving, and Yasem Kitwa, young Weshi, former crop, Richmond Lamptey, all the best. So, deal finally go through, I think, almost 2 years, and we agree. And it is completed almost. Inti news are anope Libya bio.